Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In this next video, we'll be downloading our current branch 2509 of Configuration Manager. So we'll copy this here. Let's open up and go here. You'll see, please select your Configuration Manager current branch download, exe download version 2509. Click that. We're going to click open. Give that a few moments. And our destination folder, which we're going to extract to, is MCM Config Manager 2509 on our share. So let's give that a few seconds. Okay. It's a pretty large file, looks like. There we go. So extract to, we're going to paste that there. Extract, give that a few moments. Okay, that's good. We can click the trash can icon here and close Edge. We'll open our terminal from the taskbar. We're going to create a new folder, which is here, and then we're going to start the setup DL or downloads and press enter. It's going to say select a path where updated installation files will be. We're going to put it in our dependencies folder of that, and we'll click download and give that a few moments to download all 52 files, and I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, it's almost there. We're at 51. Good. And here comes 52. What we're going to do is we're going to delete all the YAML files which get downloaded with any other folders in the share. So give that a moment and I'll come back as soon as that is done. Okay, and that disappeared, so we're good. Let's paste here. We got rid of the YAML files. And that's pretty much it for the download of MCM 2509. So we'll be installing it next time, and I will see you then.